Looking at the usual trend, this phone is no exception. It is also 6.3 inches taller with an IPS LCD panel and Corning Gorilla Glass 3 Plus. This phone is using an IPS LCD panel, so it is not as bright and as vivid as an AMOLED panel, of course, but for an LCD display, it's really good. It's on 1080p resolution and it has a really good screen to body ratio. It is about 84%. The top notch looks really cool, but the bottom bezel is a bit too thick for my reasoning actually, but the back is really sleek. It copied its design from its parent company Oppo, and it is shown in the Reno phones that we have the diamond cut on the back with a gradient finish and the Realme logo and the quad camera setup on its back, which I'll come to later. The phone looks really sleek in hand and it is not even as thick as I would have expected for a really huge battery. The fingerprint sensor is on the back. On the bottom you get to see the Type-C, the U and the speaker grill, as well as the headphone jack. Now it is rocking the Snapdragon 712, which is a fairly good processor for the mid-range category. So the cameras are 48 megapixel and a 2 megapixel macro, 2 megapixel depth sensor and an 8 megapixel ultra wide sensor. Now these cameras work together to produce some really good shots, but I guess so that the 2 megapixel depth sensor is just a gimmick. At least that's what my opinion. So the skin on the top of Android is the ColorOS 6 with Android 9. Latest and greatest Android had to offer, not has to because of the Android 10, but it feels good actually, but it has improved a lot. But still I would prefer a lighter skin for a mid-range device. Still, Realme is improving day by day, so I have nothing to say against it. It has a really huge battery, which is also helping it to stay in the game. It is providing some really good fast charging as well, and it has 4035 mAh battery with 20 watts VOOC fast charging 3.0. Also getting the 4K video recording at 30 fps and different variants with 4 gigs, 6 gigs and 8 gigs is really cool. Also looking at the pricing, it is one of the best in its category. It's priced at 180 euros, which is the reason people are going to buy this one. So that was it for my first impressions on the Oppo Realme 5 Pro. This is Ridderson and I'm signing out. Peace out.